I can't believe he relented and put his waterproof trousers on.
Well,
what's the matter with him?
took so long, the rain's going to have passed by now. I've worked out why I get such bad fuel economy.
Well, following Nige.
Well, no, I have it ticking over for half an hour.
Yeah. Not only that, yeah. And you got to ride it in first everywhere just in case he overtakes.
Yeah. But if I haven't got it fired up and I think you're still faffing, next thing I say, I'm not enough of you faffing around, I'm off.
yeah, I'm off.
Oh dear.
Are these fucking heated gloves waterproof?
Yeah.
Allegedly.
My Chinese ones are.
Allegedly.
You do realise, Steve, all that moaning and bitching he does about Chinese,
Yeah.
these are fucking Chinese.
Yeah, I know.
I expect most of the parts on his bike have got made in China written on it.
Yeah, and my phone and my drone.
Exactly.
Pull that, Nick.
I beg your pardon.
Pull this.
We haven't known each other that long.
Oh, come on.
Well, you got to put it through the hole first.
Well, I'm trying, but me fucking great thumbs are in the fucking fingers and thumbs are in the way.
You don't want to know what visions I've got in my head.
That's not gone in the slot.
Is it in?
Oh,
I can't find the hole.
I hope I can forget
Boy,
these thoughts.
there it is. There
I
you
got it.
go.
I don't need your
Don't need your
fucking
fucking
help.
help.
You're going to have a week of
See,
this,
anyone with
Nick.
any sense would have taken the other glove off.
In my defence, that was a tight hole. Oh, fucking hell.
What's going through his head now?
God knows.
Well, as long as it ain't an Audi fucking A3, I don't...
Right. There's a white horse
Anyway.
up to the right.
There's a fucking white horse over there, and there'll be another one up here. We'll come back when the fucking sun's out. Anyway, I remember the conversation, Steve. Should we go Sunday? Because that's the best day.
Well, it was. And then Carol changed her mind.
Yeah, that's the lay-by. I said stop in and we'll fly the drone over. Because I thought we could do the monument at the same time.
Well, I've got it on camera anyway, so
Yeah.
tick it off the list. I did chuckle to myself when matey mentioned he was a Rosper rider.
Yeah.
Nigel lost interest straight away.
Yeah. Oh, I thought you can fuck off, mate.
He was doing so well. He said, "Oh yeah, I ride all year round in all weathers." He was doing so well up until that point. He had the road.
It's a real conversation killer.
Yeah.
Well, at least I suppose the cameras will get all these fucking stones.
They will.
These girt stones.
Bloody girt stones.
Or we could go in the pub and wait for summer.
Yeah.
Sounds like somebody's still
Choice.
hungry.
We could book in.
It was too fucking busy in there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We were lucky to get a table that day, weren't we?
We were.
Yeah.
Lucky to get
It's
a
only
bloody
because
parking
Nick's so
space.
fucking rude to everybody.
Yeah.
You going good? Fuck off.
Right coming through.
Fucking hell, what's the matter with that prick?
You just said it. He's a prick.
Is that a kid on the back?
I don't know.
See, I just think that's selfish as fuck when you got somebody on the back riding
Oh,
like that.
absolutely.
I've no objections to riding like a but when you got someone on the back, they ain't got no choice in the matter.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, I doubt we'll get 2 or 3 videos out of this ride. It'll just be a little mishmash, I think, of piss taking about my drone.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, and your puncher.
Oh yeah, and me ass end skid on the diesel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mind that shit there, look.
Yeah.
Anything coming, Steve?
No.
Just as well, because I'd already pulled out.
Well, I was halfway around the bloody corner when you asked me.
And the white horse is just down over there behind them trees.
To be honest, even if it wasn't raining, it'd still be a bit
There you go, there, on the
breezy.
right. That'd be the place to stop if there wasn't a car there.
Yeah. Your rear camera, is it on?
I think so. It was.
Yeah, it is. It is.
30 minutes.
Anyway, talking about mileage, I've done 37,000 now. So since August I bought it, I've done 5,000 miles.
That's not bad, is it? Since August, I've done 4,399 since April.
You're catching up slowly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Most of that is to the fucking tip and Iceland and Audi.
And motorways.
Fucking little. Oh, look, here he is.
He's sniffing.
Yeah, fuck it, we'll have a look.
Well, at this rate, I'm heading for over 10,000 this year.
There's still nothing coming.
No, but there's a bit of a blind dip there. And a brow of a hill.
Just wondering if Rococo and Bath was going to get it.
Well, they will do. It's just a matter of time.
Yeah. Look at all the fucking patches here, though, where they've had to patch it up. See, I thought about one of them Taliban tanks, them fucking pickup trucks.
All right.
And that's fine till you see the fucking road tax on them, the price of the fucking tyres on them, and how shit on fuel economy they are.
Exactly, yeah.
Is there anything you haven't thought about buying?
We're always looking to change.
An electric motorcycle.
Yeah.
I guarantee
I haven't
you've
even
never
fucking
looked at
considered
that.
one
No.
of them.
You wait, we're going to go past another fucking porta toilet in a minute, and you say, I was looking at changing.
I was looking at one of them. Another fucking horse box, isn't it?
Horse country, innit?
You're supposed to be riding the bastards.
Poor buggers don't like the rain, do they?
Not in this weather, they just drive them around.
That's good, look. Stop the fucking travellers getting over there, look. Dig a trench.
Yeah.
Fucking right.
Fucking proper. I say. For.
Why do they shout for?
I don't know.
Oh, Nick, you know everything.
Maybe it's, I don't know, it's evolved from, look out forward or something, I don't know.
Or is a 4-iron the one that hits it the fucking hardest? I don't know.
It could be, yeah.
No.
I mean, you could hit it hard with a putter and it wouldn't really make any difference, would it?
No.
I may be talking gobshite bollocks, but perhaps it is, like Nick said, whoever's up in front. As in forward.
Forewarning.
Well, this drops down in the Marlborough now,
It
doesn't
does, yes.
it? We go down past the avenue of trees in a minute, I think. And then past that garage where we had coffee and a duo Mars bar.
I did mean to bring some Kit Kats with me.
You did?
Because I did, but I completely forgot. It's a bit of a tease, isn't it?
Isn't it?
Just slightly. No, it's not Marlborough, is it? It's
Yeah, it's Marlborough.
Marlborough.
Is it?
Yeah.
The clue is on the map, look. Marlborough.
You can't see that.
It's in the centre of the screen.
Should you be riding that bike if you're registered blind? See, you were going to go.
Well, I was, and then this prick fucking not even indicated, did he?
No.
See that fucking orange thing there?
What, Steve's headlight?
Right, when you come up to the junction in a minute, you'll have 21 to the left, 23 to the right. Go left, and that's going to go up the top of the hill.
Yeah.
Actually, we could skip that because I know for a fact that spot for 21 is right because it's the entrance to the private school up there.
Yeah.
Right.
So we're going to go right then, that's what you're saying, isn't it?
Yeah, we'll go right and ignore the fucking When do we ever ignore the map? Up here and round under the arch. Yeah, see, normally we'd come from where that copper came from.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the school, isn't it? Or whatever.
Yes, where Daddy pays all the bills.
Yeah. So we've got the Rozzers behind us.
Yeah. And then that what's name mount is in there, isn't it?
Merlin's Mound.
Yeah, there, that's it.
Yeah.
Well, Staker's saying we're in a 60 and I'm doing 18 miles an hour.
Well, we're in a 40 now.
It's a 40 and mine's showing 35 on the bike, 37 and 22 on Stegra.
Yeah.
But he said they know that's a known problem and they're going to deal with it. This is all coming in this new update they're doing soon. I bet that copper's back there going, oh, come on. Well, you want to fucking follow us in a police car, you knob?
Yeah, exactly.
When we at the National, shall we see if he wants to play?